I think appropriately, what happens in a competition between two states when the seesaw of power on which they're sitting is rapidly shifting. So that initially I'm competing with you, in which I look down on you or up on you, depending on where the seesaw is. And all of a sudden it's moving at the same time. China is that a country that the US could not even find in our rearview mirror 21 years ago because it was so far behind. We can't find in our rearview mirror today because it's either beside us or slightly ahead of us.
You know, many areas you cannot really separate decouple, and some decoupled area is really probably driven by these geopolitical concerns of both sides probably. But I can see actually, you know, if we work together, we make a win-win. For example, this Olympic spirit, this athletic competition, which is healthy. Probably we have another infrastructure transformation for the world, which is bad and needed. I think, you know, we need to find a common ground to work with each other.